It's my daughter's 13th birthday today. I'm actually headed to Kohl's to pick up an order. It's not for my daughter. It's something I ordered for myself, but I need to pick it up because Saturday we are going to New York, baby. So it's supposed to rain Saturday, which really sucks. So I've already got the I gave her money this morning. This morning I woke her up. I gave her balloons. I had her favorite little candies, a little hot sausage, if you know what a hot sausage is. I had that all tied up with her balloons. I hit her with the good morning. I gave her her $400 that I promised that I was going to give her. I worked today, of course, and once I got off, I went to Crumble Cookie. I don't know if you guys have a Crumble Cookie in your city, but let me tell you, these cookies are the bomb. So we've always done cake and cupcakes since the kids were small, so I decided we'll do Crumble Cookies. And I have a little nephew. He doesn't like cupcakes, so I figured I should get something that, you know, he likes too. I'm super excited about New York.
So he's like, wait, hold on.
Y'all are too cute. She's too much.
He be like
She's
that
like
too,
that at home.
though.
I can't even put her leash on.
He be like that too.
Oh, that's cute. Y'all got matching leashes. We got her a leash like that. Oh, Billy.
My sisters, but we gonna try again. We gotta get them to
Get together.
try to figure it out because they gotta be around each other.
Yeah, so we made it to my mom's house, and I actually started cutting the cookies before I even showed you guys. But we have the brookie, the chocolate chip cookie, and the strawberry one. They really didn't have a large selection this week when we went to Crumble Cookie. Look at how cute the box is. Like, the box is just so cute. Say happy birthday to the birthday girl, guys.
Happy birthday! Thank y'all so much.
So, you know, they couldn't wait. They just had to start breaking down on the cookies. But the pizza will be here soon. Look at the hat my mom made for me. Yes, so cute, y'all. I'm going to have to try it on. And look, here's Harlem. Hey, Harlem.
She said one.
Perhaps somewhere around here? Yeah, why not? So I began terraforming a nice big area.
It's not a lot.
10 out of 10, y'all. I do recommend Crumble Cookie Strawberry in the Pocket, y'all. Okay? I haven't tried the other ones yet, but I'm sure I'm going to like the chocolate chip. I'm going to try the brookie next and see how I like it. But Mackenzie enjoyed, you know, her cousins getting together, eating pizza or whatever.
Yes, I recommend.
Okay, brookie. The strawberry one was only 100, y'all. All right, let's try the brookie. I give it a 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10 rating.
Yeah.
I need to say 7 out of 10 for the brookie. But the strawberry?
Yes. I rate the strawberry.
The strawberry, that joint 10 out of 10, baby.
I rate the strawberry a 100 out of 100.
100 out of 100. Jayla said 100 out of 100.
Actually, infinity out of
Infinity. Alright, so they rating the cookies. Rating, what you say, the strawberry?
100 out of 100.
100 out of 100. Jayla, strawberry?
Infinity out of infinity.
Infinity. Mackenzie, okay, birthday girl, she's eating the strawberry one right now. Rate it. I say 10 out of 10. You said 7? Kenzie said 7 out of 10. Look, y'all, they demolished the cookies.
1 out of 10.
Which one, Trans? What you say about the strawberry? 10 out of 10 or what?
1 out of 10.
1 out of 10. What about the brookie, the brownie one you eating?
A million out of 10.
A million out of 10. So, okay, that's his, clearly that's his favorite. Did you try this one, Jayla?
This was on the phone.
Oh, you eating that one now. So, what you rate that one?
I'm gonna say it's kind of good and kind of bad.
The brown, dark brown part, it's not that good.
I'm gonna rate it a 9.
9 out of 10, 9 out of 10, okay. Levi, he gave the strawberry, you said 9 out of 10? He gave the strawberry 9 out of 10. Did you taste the strawberry one already back up? Did you take?
I didn't taste it. I didn't want to wash my hands.
Alright, Jaden about to rate the cookies, y'all. So, Mom, what you rate the cookie? You know you don't like sweet stuff like that. You like, don't put you on camera. What is it? 9 out of 10, 8 out of 10? I said 10 out of 10. Levi said 9 out of 10.
You know those smalls, right?
Like 7.
10 out of 10 for the strawberry. Oh, the chocolate chip. Yeah, the chocolate chip ones are good.
Chocolate chip one.
With the chocolate chip. So we got 10 out of 10. Okay, big pill. Okay, big spread. What you got over there? Okay, big money, honey. Okay, big bang Hank. Quick update. Our day trip had to be postponed today. We're actually currently having like heavy rain, and there's a flood warning for here and in New York where we're going. Actually postponed the trip a day, so we'll be in New York tomorrow so Mackenzie can do her shopping and everything like that. So getting ready to go to drop my youngest child off at my sister's house because he's going to spend the time there while we go to New York. And then it's also the beginning of their spring break. So my niece and nephew are on spring break and they want to see the kids. I think they said they wanted to come back to my house tomorrow, but we're going to be gone tomorrow. So maybe my niece and nephew will visit. I'm not sure, but I will be back once I get myself together. All right, update. We put the money in the bank for Mackenzie. I hit up Victoria's Secret. Me and Trans, we went to Smoothie King and we got us some smoothies. When I go to restaurants, 9 times out of 10, I usually get the child size meal and also child size drinks because I just feel like portion control, especially if I'm trying to lose weight. All right, we here, little baby. Look at the cat right there. Give me a kiss and a hug. You don't love me no more? You don't love me like you do. Love you.
Okay.
Bye. Get your bag. You ain't bring your phone or your Nintendo? Oh, you tripping. What, grandma gonna let you use her iPad? I love you.
I love you too.
All right, bye-bye. So he's off and he's gone, and now I think I'm gonna go get a car wash even though it's raining. Like, oh my gosh, y'all, I feel so dumb. Like, I just realized that I booked the wrong dates for one of my tickets, so I had to rebook the ticket, and now I'm just headed to put some extra money in the bank because you never know what may come up. But I'm just like, what? Friday was crazy though. My work week was crazy, so I can understand my mind being all over the place. But how you feeling, Mackenzie?
Nervous.
So yeah, we nervous. I've been there twice, but we're still nervous, and so, but it's almost time. So I will see you guys either when we're on the way to the bus station or once I get up or whatever. So I'll see you guys.
You wanna be my hero. You won't even do the hell. Oh, this shit don't add up. Oh, you don't even know the math. Yeah. You said it's gonna even last. Sometimes I wanna beat your ass. Wait, you know I won't do that. Oh, I'm sorry I say that. Yeah. Swear the fame ain't changed shit but my mind. You see the pattern, can you think a nigga blowing time? Is your blood? And what we see ain't what it seems. Oh, is girl, what is love? What's that? What is love? Girl, we
Literally just got off the bus. The bus ride was so horrible. It was like bumpy and everything, but we getting ready to go find something to eat and somewhere to chill out for a minute while we figure out exactly what we're doing. Every city got the popos. Gotta make sure we do what we need to do so they ain't snatching us up. Period. Hey y'all, so we can ready to go. Kenzie found a diner for us to go to. I think it says Hell's Kitchen or something like that. So yeah. Alright y'all, so we had to get into an Uber because we did not know where we was going, y'all. I didn't have the energy to figure it out when we on our way to, is it Hell's Kitchen?
West.
Oh, West something restaurant. But yeah, so once we get there, we'll check back. Alright, so we found a restaurant, y'all. It's crazy packed in here. What's the name of it, Mackenzie? It's called Westway Diner. Westway Diner. So we're just gonna get us some breakfast and do it kind of slow. Oh, I can slow it down. Alright guys, so we ate, but we totally forgot. We were so hungry, we forgot to record the food. But the food was pretty good. We're actually on our way to Forever 21 now. So me and Mackenzie both decided that it is way too cold in New York for us. Like, we did not expect for it to be this cold. And it's a lot of walking, but we're headed to Forever 21. Then hopefully we can find maybe like a shoe store or something and grab some lunch. To meet up with our cousin a little bit later. I just hit her up on Instagram. I did let her know that we were coming yesterday, but we're actually coming today because, you know, because of the weather and everything. So yeah, we'll see you guys once we get to Forever 21. Alright y'all, so we finally found our way down Times Square. And look, all the cool stuff.
I made it for nothing, no turn into something from nothing, yeah. Made it through property, on our minority, you know my story. Hop on the jet on my property and fly away. Fly, fly, fly away, yeah. I'm in prison, yeah. Straight out the trenches, yeah. My niggas can't whip me, yeah. The richest, the richest, the richest, yeah. Rich nigga got his own seats, yeah. All of these hoes came with it, yeah. All them over get KB, yeah, yeah. I try to fight temptation. Top gun is on me.
When I get my back.
red button.
It never was.
Video to the
Yeah?
yeah, we're going back to DC now.
You go to DC, okay.
Yeah, so Kenzie was ready to go home. She ready to go home and play her game. She got some shoes and some clothes. We ate. We bought some souvenirs and everything like that. So we're actually headed back to the mega bus. And our bus comes about 5 o'clock. So we'll just be hanging out over there until 5 o'clock. And then we'll be heading home. So yeah, super excited about that. We had a really nice time in New York. Did you enjoy your time in New York, Mackenzie? It's kind of crowded. It's a little fast paced for us, right? We're not used to this many people.
It's cold.
And it was super cold today, so we tried, but we had a good time. All right, bye New York. We had a good time. We got some souvenirs and we shopped, but Kenzie ready to go, baby. She ready to go home and play her game. I'm ready to go home and get in bed so I can go to work tomorrow, but we had an awesome time in New York. So yeah, until next time. It's gonna be like 9:30, 10 o'clock at night. It takes 5 hours to get home again, 4.5 hours. So of course I'm gonna be greedy and I'm gonna get me something to eat from one of them stands before we go. But yeah, y'all, so we about to hop on this bus in about an hour. And Kenzie got new shoes and everything. We're gonna show y'all everything that we got before we close the vlog out. But yeah, we going home like 4 hours early. We couldn't stay all the time. New York is a big city, and it's warmer now because it was colder earlier, right? Yeah, so we'll see you guys once we get back to the house.
Remember my back cards. I really wish bro was with me. He got an 8 on his back like Lampard. That can't be an option to diss me. He was in an interview ring singing ballad. Getting on the damn thing, he's a wallad. Like how you don't feel embarrassed. Badly looking on Nicki Minaj. Plus I got a spaceship in my garage. My young boy went over there on something into the soul.
Alright, y'all, we finally made it home, and these are the shoes that Mackenzie got. She got some clothes too in that bag, but we are just so tired and we are so over it, guys. We got a couple of plushies. Show the plushies, Mackenzie. Like, I'm literally laying back. Ugh. We got this one for me. We got Winnie the Pooh and a cute penguin. Those are cute, Pooh. Yeah. Mm-hmm. And what else you get? Your other Hello Kitty thing? Is it a nightlight? Let me see. Put it over here close to the camera. She got this. And then some clothes. To New York was a success. Would we do it again? I'm not sure. I don't think Mackenzie's too fond of New York and all the people and stuff like that. But yeah, we had a good time. You had a good time? You enjoyed your birthday?
Yeah.
Happy 13th. Oh, that's cute. That's like a snow globe. Diamond's happy to see us. She missed us all day. But all right, guys, I'm going to close the vlog out here. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. If you have not already, hit the subscribe button below and the bell notification so you can join our journey of getting our life in order. Okay.